Now is available at McCarthycars Audi Q7 S-Line, Quattro 4-wheel drive, 64 plate 2014 white. Car has front daylights, it's got front parking sensor, it's got front fog lights, 21-inch alloy wheels, it's got side steps, privacy rear glass. Car has rear parking sensor, electric tailgate. It's 7-seater car, it's got split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior, it's got sides and front airbags, it's got carbon trims, 7 headrests, ISOFIX. For electric windows, got electric and folding mirrors, electric seats, front auto headlights, car has satellite navigation, got reversing camera, got DAB radio, telephone, Bluetooth connection, Audi multimedia, SIM card, 2-slot memory cards, heated seats, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, carbon trims, automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift. Thank you for watching.